Namaskar, I am Tanmay De and welcome to Sanchoita. I hope you are doing well. In this video, you can learn to take dictation of the editorial passage. Today's passage is an editorial passage of the Hindu. Speed will be 80 words per minute, total words 655. And remember, it is one of the difficult passages to write. As you know, readback and transcription is the two main important factors of stenography. By doing these two, you can improve your speed and accuracy in stenography. So, after completion of this video, you should try to read your script and do transcription. At the same time, knowing outlines and meaning of some important or tough words will help you a lot to get speed and accuracy in stenography. For that, after the dictation, you will have meanings, outlines of some important words and the full passage. Now, be ready. I will start my dictation after the countdown of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. On the afternoon of July 8, 2020, Saddaq Hussain, 23, and Jamir Ahmad, 26, were hit by sniper fire from the Pakistani side of the line of control within bracket LOC bracket close in Simari Panchayat, Tangdhar sector of Kupwara district in Jammu and Kashmir while they were helping construct a community bunker. Ceasefire violations along the LOC and the international border within bracket IB bracket close have increased in the last few years. This year they have reached a new high. This increased exchange of fire involving small arms, mortars, and medium artillery and causing injuries and deaths has led to a scramble to build bunkers for villages along the border. The incident in Tangdhar occurred during one such construction effort. Army officials said the workers were probably mistaken for military personnel. Hussein and Ahmad received some assistance from the army but are still some time away from full recovery. One has been injured in the leg and the other in the stomach. According to official data, in 2018, there were 1,629 ceasefire violations along the LOC and IB. This number increased to 3,168 in 2019 and has touched a new high of 4,052 so far this year, including major exchange of fire just before Deepavali. There have been over 128 incidents already this month and 396 in October. Ceasefire violations have resulted in 20 civilian deaths this year. 47 people have sustained injuries. A bulk of the ceasefire violations were in the Jammu region. Within double quote, sailing had reduced after 2012, but it increased again from last year. Decode, a local villager said during an interaction with a small group of journalists who visited the place in mid October. The Titwal border crossing point on the LOC, which was open till November 2018, has remained shut since. With recent developments, there is no scope of it being opened for the public again. Originally built in 1931 and destroyed and rebuilt since, the bridge is open only during emergencies now. Dogs squeeze through the barbed wire and cross freely under the watchful gaze of the guards and surveillance cameras. Within double quote, who will stop them? Decode, said one Jawan laughing. Titwal has a population of about 1,100 people, while Simari has a smaller population of 750 people. Villagers reminisced about their visits across the border to see their relatives during better times. Within double quote, sailing began in and around Titwal in 2018. Decode, said Izaz Ahmad, a teacher and chairman of the Chinar Youth Committee. Ahmad has relatives on his father's side across the border and has been to Pakistan several times. He said those who wish to travel used to obtain a permit from Srinagar. Within double quote, it took about 1 or 2 months to get the permit. They would let us travel up to 15 days and would extend that by up to 2 months on a case by case basis. Decode, he explained. Several villagers complained that not only could they no longer go across the border, but even mobile connectivity had stopped 50 to 100 meters short of their village. Within double quote, Tangdhar was active last year. Decode, said an officer talking of ceasefire violations after the Balakot airstrike in February that heightened tensions between India and Pakistan. In Tangdhar sector, 60 old bunkers which had fallen into disuse over time are not being converted into 120 community bunkers according to government specifications. These bunkers are spread across 32 panchayats consisting of 42 revenue villages with a population of over 70,000 people. Work on 7 bunkers is complete. The rest are at an advanced stage of completion. Each bunker costs around rupees 20 lakh and can accommodate 50 to 60 people. Lola Valley in Kupwara district, once a hotbed of terrorist activity, is now largely quiet. Within double quote, there is a possibility of escalation of tensions here, so we are keeping watch. Decode, said an officer. At the Army Goodwill School, Chandigram, in Lolav Valley, located a few kilometers from the LOC, the number of students has increased over the years. Stop writing. Now you should try to read your script and do transcription. Now I am showing you some important words meaning. This is part 1. This is part 2. Please write down these words meaning. It will help you in your written examination also. Now I am showing you some important words outline. This is part 1. Now I am showing you the full passage. This is part 1. This is part 2. And this is the final part. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find my work helpful to you. Please take care. Bye.